Hey, what's up, guys? You got Crypto Chuck back here with the group Crypto Black. We're back at it again, baby. Hope you guys having a great day. Man, we having a good time, man. We see how the market is going, man. You guys see the charts going on with Bitcoin, what's going on with crypto, you know what I'm saying? But, man, let's talk about it real quick. But before we do anything, guys, make sure you like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Guys, make sure you look below right now. You see all those different social media handles. Make sure you guys go over there and follow us on all different social medias. We're on TikTok. We're on Instagram. We're on Twitter. People want to know, hey, man, what I'm trading. I'm always tweeting out what I'm trading. I'm tweeting out what, you know what I mean, what I'm looking at. I'm always tweeting out different news that's going to, you know what I mean, help you on a macroeconomics, you know what I mean, standpoint. So make sure you guys check me out on Twitter, Instagram, TikTok. And obviously, if you guys are not part of the Crypto Black group inside Facebook, go to Crypto Black group on Facebook. Join us, guys. We've been running strong for years. All right. So, man, today we're going to talk about how and what company actually partnered with Google. Google partnered with a big crypto company, man, and and people say, hey, this crypto was falling off. People wasn't paying attention to it, and boom, you know what I mean? It was hitting my scanner. Yesterday, and I was like, okay, here we go, and so you know what I mean. So we want to know what happened, and why this coin was running up, and guess what? Because Google actually partner up with them. But before we do anything like that, guys, we're also going to talk about Uniswap traders can now buy NFTs. You know what I mean? With Unisheep and other stable coins. So, it's the integration with crypto websites and making things much easier, and the UIs make everything much easier for different users. Then I think it's going to be really, really, really great for the space, because a lot of people, they get into crypto and they don't know how to use it, right? They don't know how to navigate around other platforms, not like the traditional websites that they used to. So, I think make the UIs obviously being clean, and as well as integrations and making things work much easier across different other platforms, I think is great, right? So, man, but we're going to talk about that as well. But, man, before we do anything else, guys, as you guys can see, market cap still over $1 trillion, baby. We got that T in front of it, $1 trillion. We're still over $1 trillion market cap, so we're doing pretty good. 24-hour volume is over $64 billion. And Bitcoin dominance, man, BTC dominance is still over 42%. So this is pretty good. Gas is low. So I'm liking all this stuff, man. I'm liking all this stuff right now. But you guys can see right here, man, top 10. We're seeing top 10. We're seeing Bitcoin still at 23.7, about 23.8 basically. Ethereum still over 1,600. BNB, 306. And man, you guys hear about BUSD? Said it dropped down to like 20 cents overnight. It got depeg or something happened, but it's back to $1, so it's still holding strong. Cardano, we see where we at, 38 cents. Cardano's a steal right now, guys. I'm telling you, it's a steal. It's a steal. Still waiting for Polkadot, man, to take off, man. Polkadot is that coin, man, where it's like, yo, they had the momentum, they had everything. They just dropped the ball. But we'll see. It probably the next bull run probably be the next run. But man, I got it under $3, so I'm still happy. Litecoin as well. Litecoin doing pretty well, $92. So, it's these coins you got to keep, keep dollar cost average inside to actually get you to where you want to be at, because at the end of the day, when these coins reach their all-time highs, it's going to be, it's going to be crazy. But, man, one coin that I've been telling people about over and over again, and saying I'm telling you, this is good. You got the whole IPFS, and people don't understand about IPFS. And you got Filecoin, data storage. I told you guys what's going to be the thing. Next bull run. I said it last bull run. It'll be the next thing. What's going to be the next thing for the next bull run? And this is Filecoin, man. Filecoin up to $7.83. Went to like $9 some change. Pushed up over the last 7 days. And you see right here, guys, went to like $9 some change. Pushed up. We had 7, but man, it went on a run. Went on a run, baby. A run. And in the last month, you guys see how it worked, how it went out. So I was telling people for months, you know, Filecoin, I'm telling you, it's going to be, I'm telling you. So, man, let's look at Bitcoin, though. Look at the charts real quick, then we'll get to stories. But yeah, so you see Bitcoin right now currently at 23,781. Lows for the day at 23,574. And with our highs for the day is 24,476. So we see right here, guys, we see Bitcoin. We did push up, as you see here on we look at the daily chart. We did push up on the 15th, nice big candle. So we playing between these different support and resistance at 23,886. And guys, you know, I've been talking about that number for a long time. I said 23,886, man. We gotta push above that. It could be good. It would be good. We do that and stay above it. And then what we're seeing, we constantly testing this 25,250. Really, we testing. We keep touching it, keep touching it. And then you see, guys, I got my alert right here. My alert is right champ. My alert is right champ. All right. So you see, I got my alert right here, guys. And once that, I have a feeling we got it. Once we close above that 25,250, we close above for the day. We're gonna fly the good land of 28,000. Ain't nothing in between that to where I see where it's going to stop us. It's going to just push up. It's going to be similar to like what we seen here. You got people be like, oh man, I don't know. You seen what happened here. You seen what happened on February the 15th. We went from 22.2 all the way up to 24.3. And I don't see anything stopping us. And, you know, I don't see anything stopping us, you know what I mean, from getting to 28 once we push above this 25,250 and close above it, though. We got to close above it for the day. Close above it and keep that momentum going. Fed minutes coming out. That's what making people a little nervous the last couple of days. You know, just to see how hawkish the Feds were in those meetings. But I think we'll be fine. I don't see nothing really too crazy. Next month, though, we might have a little breather. But, hey, man, this we had a hell of a month. This was a real good month. So, looking at a weekly candle, because sometimes you got to look at the weekly and see, okay, how's everything going? Looking at the weekly candle, you know, we still pushing through. Still looking good on a weekly candle. Now, we are under the 50. We kept, and that's another thing to look at. Look where we keep going to on the weekly. We're under the 50, right? Again, we push above that 25. It's 25,250. The weekly, you're looking at what? This is about 25.4, right? We push above, you know, this right here. I'm telling you, man. Like I said, and close above this 25,250. Look at this 50 right here. You push that and push it. I'm telling you, it's gonna look real good. It's gonna be tremendous. It's gonna be tremendous. All right. So I'm liking this on a weekly candle, as you guys can see right here. We have been down, pushed out since my birthday, November 14th. So we actually been pushing. We've been down here, consolidation for a while. Nice big push up, as you guys can see right here in January, and a real good nice push up here in February as well. So I'm liking this. It's total top profit taking. We push up from right here. Profit taking only bring us to right here. Hey, this is nice. And then push up right here. Profit taking might bring us right here to the middle, right down here, right in between. About 23, 350. And hey, man, nothing wrong with that. Nothing wrong with that. And then, cause I like to look out for the wicks. The wicks tell me the story. All right. And then we push back up and go above this 50. I'm telling you. Hey, man, it's going to look real nice. It's going to be real nice. It's going to be real nice for all of us. All right? So get some of our Valentine's Day money back. But let's go, man. Let's go. Google Cloud to become validator on Tezos network, guys. The tech giant corporate customers will be able to deploy Tezos nodes to build Web3 applications on a network. Says Google Cloud computing operator is to become a validator on the Tezos network. Google Cloud's corporate customers will be able to deploy Tezos nodes, a type of computer that runs a blockchain software to validate and store the history of transactions in order to build Web3 applications on a network. The integration with Tezos marks Google Cloud's latest integration with blockchain network, the platform having begun running a node hosting service for Ethereum projects in October, then shortly thereafter become a validator on Solana. Such integrations demonstrate the interest that tech giants are taking on blockchain. If you guys seen, I believe Anchor and Microsoft actually got some stuff going on as well with their nodes. So you've seen all these different tech companies pretty much, guys, trying to partner with crypto. I'm telling you, this is the part that people don't get. I keep saying over and over again. Listen, crypto is tech. Crypto is tech. That's why you see the tech companies, when tech moves in the stock market, crypto moves. Whatever direction that's happening, I can go right to Bitcoin, I go right to Microsoft or Google or Apple or the Tesla, and I'm telling you, it's moving the same way. All right, so people keep forget. Oh man, I had to talk to had a discussion with some people yesterday. And it was, oh man, crypto is an investment. I said, it's not just an investment instrument. It's also tech. It's also technology. It's technology first. You know what I'm saying? And, they just think they didn't get it. They didn't get it at first until I had to break it down to them. But it says they may also inspire confidence in other firms interested in moving into the industry, knowing that they can do so using infrastructure with the scale and resilience provided by firms like Google. Google Cloud has previously pointed out the relationship between hacked accounts by malicious actors to mine cryptocurrency, suggesting the firm is attuned to specific security risks present in the digital asset industry. And I like Tezos because it's a staking coin. They call it baking, but it's a staking coin. You buy it, you stake it, you hold it in your wallet, stake it, delegate it, and you get more coins. They come back with more friends. So that's what I like. That's what I like about Tezos. I love staking coin. That's just me. I love coins I can stake. I can buy it, hold it. I'm an investor. I'm a long-term investor. That's who I am. And if I can take, it's like you have stocks. You hold them and you get paid dividends, right? You have dividend stocks. If I can take those coins and hold them, and they appreciate in value, and plus I earn more coins while doing the same thing, sign me up, baby. The good projects, and these are good projects that I'm into. So it's looking pretty good. Looking pretty good here for Tezos, guys. I remember Tezos when it was 25 cents, and man, we had a good time with Tezos when it ran up. So Uniswap. The Uniswap traders can now buy NFTs with Uni, SHIB, or any Ethereum token. Uniswap NFT is looking to out-engineer the competition by allowing traders to buy NFTs using any Ethereum-based token. So NFT marketplaces typically have restrictions on which cryptocurrency can be used to purchase assets, but Uniswap NFT marketplace has just launched a new feature that changes all that. Uniswap NFT traders can now use any token on the ETH blockchain, such as stablecoins like USDC or Tether, and even meme coins like Shiba Inu, to purchase their NFTs through a simplified interface. Now it says it says according to Crypto Sign Up, Uniswap new universal router contract finds the most efficient route to complete a swap from any Ethereum-based token into the required token for the NFT sales, in most cases Ethereum, and then pushes that crypto to OpenSea Seaport protocol to finalize the transaction. Says under the hood, Uniswap dramatically simplifying the NFT purchasing process for those who might need to swap one cryptocurrency for another before buying an NFT. Yep, because remember, guys, you say you had, you did real good on a coin, right? Let's say, for example, let's throw a coin out there. Let's say Seek, right? You did it real good on. Let's do Shiba. Let's talk about Shiba. Let's say you did real good on Shiba, right? Say you made $5,000 on Shiba, right? On a trade, or you belt Shiba, you put $1,000 in, $2,000 in, now you got $5,000, right? And now we're in the peak of the bull market. Market is running. ETH gas fees is about $200, right? $200, but you see an NFT that you really like. You said, man, I don't want to spend some of my ETH. You know what I mean? I want to take this profit I got from Shiba and buy this NFT. But in order for me to do that, I got to swap it out to Ethereum and then purchase an NFT with my ETH, right? So when you do swap it out with Ethereum, you pay the gas fee to swap it to swap your Shiba to Ethereum. So you want to swap it to $1,000 worth of ETH, so you can buy an NFT on OpenSea or Blur. But say you want to buy a NFT, and then you got to use, say you got to spend $200 in gas fee just swapping it from Shiba to Ethereum. Then you got to turn around and buy the NFT and pay gas fees again, another $200. Then you got $400 because you wanted to buy an NFT because you wanted to use one of your tokens. Now this right here, this integration actually helps with that. Whereas, hey, listen, if I want to buy an NFT, I can just buy it directly with my Shiba coin and only worry about paying gas fees once. All right, it's kind of like that. You know, it was very irritating when you gotta, drop somebody off for somewhere that's like an hour away, and then you know what I mean, or like 30 minutes away, and you're like, man, drop them off. They won't be there. They only gonna be there for like 2 hours, but you don't feel like hanging around 2 hours. Then you drive back home, and then you gotta drive back to pick them back up, and then drive back home again. You know, it's kind of like that. Like, you know what I mean? Like, listen, I just want to go just one way. I don't use all my gas money, man. All right, so that's what this is about. So what it means for NFT traders. It says the new tool is meant for existing Uniswap traders who swap high volume of tokens already on the platform. It could also help users juggling liquidity to lock in sales that they want faster without having to manually swap the tokens first themselves. And for those concerned about the tax implications of NFT trading, one fewer transaction before making an NFT purchase also means fewer taxable events. Exactly, because you swap. You got to trade Shiba for Ethereum. Then that could be a tax event because you take a profits, right? And then you turn around, you make another purchase, you pay another gas. It's skipping a step. It helps you out a whole lot. Since Uniswap acquired NFT aggregator Genie last year and launched its NFT marketplace feature on its platform in November, it's been less than 10,000 total transactions and roughly 7.6 million. So consider the fact that the broader DeFi platform, nearly 4.8 million total users according to Dune Analytics dashboard, Uniswap hasn't exactly been able to bring its legacy users en masse to its new NFT product just yet. Because NFTs are down right now. People aren't buying NFTs like that. You know what I mean? It is what it is. I mean, it's the market. That's the market. You know what I mean? Just like, people aren't buying Christmas trees right now. It's not that time. It's not that time of year. It's just not that time right now. Right here it says, interesting. It says at time of writing, Blur activity makes up 80% of NFT market share by volume in the past week, while OpenSea takes about 14.5%. Uniswap NFT platform still a small blip on the graphs. It doesn't yet even make it to the top 10 NFT marketplace. Yeah, but you gotta give it time, and then once people already used to Uniswap, so I'm thinking, I think they'll be fine from there. Uniswap is clean, so it's clean and very simple. People love simple. But besides that, man, we're gonna get right into it. But yeah, man, Filecoin. Make sure you gotta check out Filecoin, man. I'm telling you, it's something I really like. I really like this coin, man. Matic been good to me, baby. Been good to me. Good to me. All right, we want to see what's going on in the last hour, man. What's what's really been running? Yeah, CoinFlux. For the people that don't know about CoinFlux, you got a lot of these Chinese coins running in the past few days because of China opening up the market for their citizens. Hong Kong really. And so CoinFlux is a Chinese coin, so you'll find a few of them out there. Also, coin, man, I'm gonna give it to you. I'm gonna give it to you, baby. I'm gonna give it to you. I'm feeling good today. I'm feeling wonderful. You know what I'm saying? I'm feeling wonderful, baby. So I'm gonna give it to you. This here's a coin, man, that I got my private group. So if you guys want to be in that private group, man, make sure you reach out to me. info@cryptoblack.net. Reach out to me, info@cryptoblack.net. We'll get you inside that private chat to become if you're a paid member, you join us in the mastermind. You actually gonna be you also come inside my private group as well. And then I'm gonna get you in, and then where you'll get some of these joints right here, man. Okay, B, man, we got this out. We calling this out for what, almost 2 months now. In the chat. And I said this is going to be the first one to hit its all-time high since 2021. Remember, everything had been like 90% down. But no, not this one, baby. Not this one. It actually hit its all-time high, broke its all-time high. And beat it. It went to like the 50s, high 50s. So you guys see right here, the all-time high was just 5 days ago, baby. $58.46. All-time high was like $41 back in 2021. Like 44, I believe, back in 2021, May of 2021. And I said this is gonna be the first one to hit its all-time high in the chat, and it did, and it kept going higher. And you guys see right here, 5 days ago, all-time high. So OKB, OKX is actually it's a one of the, I think it's like the second or third largest exchange in the world by volume. So it's a coin that you don't want to sleep on, guys. But yeah, man. I'm going to see what we can do. Any questions in the chat? If not, we're going to end this right now because, you know what I mean? We about to get back here, about to get back to look at the markets, setting ourselves up, you know what I mean? Because Fed minutes is coming out and you know how the market's going to react to it. Let's just even a little slim hawkish. The market's going to be like, oh no, it's going to run. So, you know what I mean? We want to make sure we inside the market and doing our thing. I don't really trade on Wednesdays, but when I got news like this, then I like to, then I like to, track that volume and then, and take advantage of it. But yeah, besides that, man, we don't have any questions in the chat, then we're going to run up out of here. We're going to get up out of here and get things going, man. But yeah, man. So I'm going to highlight y'all. Make sure you guys like, share, and subscribe to the channel. It's your guy, Crypto Chuck, here to Crypto Black. We out of here, baby. Peace.